So this is another marvel, masterpiece of Yucatan. As I said, Yucatan has limestone, so limestone does not carry water. So from now to there, you have some water coming out or body of water, but it quickly disappears on the ground. So this is yet another marvel with beautiful waterfalls without crocodiles. I forgot to mention before in previous little lake we saw a little crocodile watching out of the water. So here you can swim, and we will swim.